Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a flip through of my latest digital collection. It is a junk journal, well, handmade journal kit. It measures 8.5 by 11. So this was the inspiration. This page was the inspiration for this collection. This is a song called Twas a Buttercup, and I've taken the colors from this sheet music and made a collection from it. So I had a really good time doing this. I've included this as one of the background pages, so it can be used in the center of a signature or whatever. It is not coming through exactly true to color. It's kind of a straw yellow, maybe a little lighter than that. There's a nice green, maybe I would think of it as a darker green. It's not a yellow green, it's a on the blue side, but the blue is kind of a slate blue, not quite denim, but I just really liked it. The blue is kind of on the gray side, I would say. And so anyway, that's page 1, and this is page 2, which I just adored this background, and I wanted it. A lot of these pages are somewhat monochromatic. I like that when I'm working, that way I can add to it if I like, but I just love these, and I know they're not buttercups, but I thought they were fun, and I love the butterfly, and it was a cool background. So here is one of the, I've done 18 background pages. There's some yellow, some off coffee dye type tan beige colors, and then there's some blue. Those are the 3 colors that I focused on, but I just really loved these. I thought that was a lot of fun. And this one I enjoyed. This one has lace, it has some words across, but I love these little buttercup silhouettes here. I thought that was a lot of fun. Then here's the music from the collection. I've enlarged that to do a background page here. There is a little bit of spots here and there throughout. But I did not do any aging around the edges, because a lot of people, you know, they don't want the grunge. If you do, then I feel like you can add it, and then you could add whatever color you want, whether you want, you know, the frayed burlap, or the scattered twigs, or vintage photo, or even walnut stain, whatever. You can add your own grunge to it, so I've left that off. This one, I don't know if it'll come through on the camera, but this is actually a lined page with that solid, I call this a buttercup yellow, but you know. And then here is the background page that's more coffee dyed in appearance. I just loved that one. There again, they've got some splatters. Here's one with some flourishes on it. Thought those were fun. And then I've put the sheet music together with the flourishes for this one. I've tried to, you know, do a variety. So here we are with the buttercups again, and some butterflies. I love this guy right here. He's so cute. But fun. Another one of these backgrounds. So this one comes in the coffee, almost, well, this one's lighter, so this one may be like a tea dyed. Anyway, I just thought this was fun. I like the music backgrounds because I like to include one in each signature. Here is that one. This is the original of this layout, and it has kind of a scenes of the day down at the bottom. Here's the blue with the flourishes, kind of a little bit of grungy around the edges, but not a lot. I love that one. The blue ones are my favorite. And then on this one, this has the flourishes on the corners, but there's also a piece of lace in the background. I hope you can see that. Little teeny tiny hexagons even there. I just love this. So I had a lot of fun putting this together. I had a hard time stopping. There on this one you can see the lace a little bit better because I tried to do one that was darker and one that was a little lighter so you'd have more choices. Little butterflies. And then here's another lighter version of that. Okay. Another one with, this one has the two buttercups with the lace. And then again this one with the somewhat monochromatic appearance. I love that with the blue line. So there are 18 backgrounds. Now the Ephemera Pages, I did 14 of these. So I've got 2 envelopes here, and then I have them also larger. So we have this one, and we have this one. And then we have some pockets here, and I have tried to change them up a little bit. Some of the ephemera I have made the color a little more intense. I just think it looks good that way. Then I have a page of large tags, and then these extra spaces, I would use this for like a horizontal belly band, and this would be a stopper at the bottom of the page. Then we have these 3 tags where I've used the lace background there, and then this could be a vertical belly band or tickets. I've done that too, where I've just divided them into tickets and then punched holes in the corners. Then here we have some smaller tags and some circles to punch, and I think those should be about 1.5. I do it slightly a little bit larger so that you don't get the white edge when you're punching through. That's just my preference, but yeah, those are fun. Here is a page that can be used for whatever. I didn't punch any notches or do any notches in them because you could use these as booklets and just fold them, you know, cut one out and fold it in half. You could use them as pockets the way they are by cutting a notch if you want a little thumb notch. You could cut them vertically and maybe round the corners and make smaller journal cards with them, or tuck spots. Limitless. Or just cut them out the way they are and use them as journal cards. Then I did go ahead and do a page of all the butterflies in different directions and different sizes. This one's a little large. These guys would be a front page butterflies, but I just loved them. I thought they were so fun, so I wanted to include them. And then this is a bonus page. I did list this one as a freebie in my Facebook group, but it has the horizontal tickets, some corner pockets, some tabs, and then some other butterflies. And I really like these butterflies with the blue lace. I thought those were really pretty. They would be really pretty with maybe some white eyelash trim tied around, or black, or any color, to be truthful, tied around the middle. Would be fun for those. And then I've got some miscellaneous ephemera here. We've got a cabinet card here. Here's the original image of that one that I used for the monochromatics. I just love that. Here's another one that has yellow butterflies in it. This is kind of a blue doily. It looks like a doily that somebody has colored in, but I just thought that was a lot of fun. And then I've got a blue frame here. I guess I should have put something in there. But this way you can cut it out the way it is and put something on top, or you could cut out the inside of the frame. This would probably fit inside of there nicely. And here I've got a couple of stamps. I've got a little Buttercup here. I went ahead and included the line drawing there. A couple of more here. Friend Might Well Be Reckoned, The Masterpiece of Nature by Ralph Waldo Emerson. And then I do have this little yellow hammer. I just thought he was so precious. Love him. So he might be nice in that little blue frame. And here we've got some more sayings. Flowers are love's truest language. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Give me odorous at sunrise, a garden of beautiful flowers where I can walk undisturbed. And this one says, all the flowers of tomorrows are in the seeds of today. Things perfected by nature are better than those finished by art. It is the edge of a petal that love waits. And then I've included this Buttercup here, and then I did go ahead and include the gal from the cover, who I don't know if she is the singer or the composer. I'm going to assume that she is Margaret. I don't know what her last name looks like. Eytinge, Eytinge, but I'm going to assume that this is Margaret. That's what I've been calling her. So you could use her if you wanted to. And then I went ahead and included the whole entire sheet music as it came to me. You can see there's tape on there. There's tape on this piece. It's ripped on the bottom. And then I went ahead and made a card out of the cover. And then there's just an extra border strip here that I pulled out of off the cover as well, just for a few extra little places to tuck. So I had a blast doing this one. I got to town, got to work on this one, and went to town. I had a hard time stopping. Probably could have had 36 backgrounds, except I was excited to get to the ephemera. So anyway, I hope you like that. It is available in my Etsy store right now. I've already sold one or two, and yeah, that was exciting, as I hadn't even put up a video about it yet. So I have a project coming up that I'd like to do with this, but I have something else first, and we will talk about that next time. So thanks for watching, everyone. I will leave the information for Twas a Buttercup in the description box below, and I hope you'll go buy it. Thanks. Bye.